bush north of Anchorage, and we found this yurt in the bush near the river. Let's have a look who's in there. I think we have a visitor. That's the river down there. Woodshed. And this nice yurt near the river. Eagle River Nature Center. Knock knock. Hello.
Hello.
We have a visitor.
Yes. We're not staying here tonight.
Why not?
There is no Wi-Fi.
Oh. Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, we don't need that. No, we can live without it, that's for sure. But this is our first visit to a yurt, and it's pretty comfortable. Well, I think we've been to one yurt in Byron Bay a long time ago, but this is no. And it's really warm in here. This is a little stove, nice and warm in here comparing to outside. Somebody must have stayed here last night. And this is a beautiful big skylight, flooding the yurt with sunshine. Amazing. Okay, and this is our yurt trip. We are doing Albert Loop. In this park, which takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, and we are on the way back to the visitor center, to Palmer. We're going to Palmer and exploring north of Anchorage. So far we've done south, and now we're doing north, and we have 3 more days to go.